So the first question about academic studies. If I do a master's degree, will my certificate be validated? That's a very good question. If you do a master's degree that is validated by Engineers Australia, your master's degree will then be validated by Engineers Australia. However, it does not mean that you will be validated as an engineer. Oh, Gerson, that's a bit confusing. Especially if you are applying for the migration skills assessment. If you are validating your qualification because you want to apply for a visa, and I can tell that because I asked Engineers Australia, they say that the migration skills assessment is done considering your graduation, your undergraduate degree, your bachelor degree, not a master's degree. If you have graduated in a country that your degree is not recognized here in Australia and you just did a master's which is qualified, you can recognize your master, but you still need to recognize your bachelor degree that you completed in an overseas country.